हेलो एवरीवन। आई होप आप सभी की यूकेपीएससी एई की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी। जैसा कि आप सभी लोगों को पता है, अभी लेस देन 20 डेज़ रिमेनिंग है एंड 13 अगस्त से हमारा यूकेपीएससी एई का जो एग्ज़ाम होना है वो शेड्यूल्ड है। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी ने अभी तक थोड़े थोड़े टॉपिक्स अपने जीएस के इफ़ नॉट कम्प्लीटली कवर कर लिए होंगे। अगर नहीं भी करे हैं तो देयर इज़ इनफ टाइम लेफ्ट स्टिल, एंड आप इतना तो एटलीस्ट तैयारी करके जाओ अपने जनरल स्टडीज़ पेपर की, बिकॉज टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स में मोस्टली काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स अच्छा प्रिपेयर करके जाते ही हैं। हिंदी इंग्लिश आप मैनेज कर लोगे बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ बेसिक सब्जेक्ट विच यू कैन कवर, बिकॉज आपने वो टाइम के साथ पढ़ी है ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। बट जीएस ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो कई स्टूडेंट्स बिल्कुल इग्नोर कर देते हैं, तो ऐसा मत करना। एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ दैट 50 to 55 एम करना जीएस के पेपर में कुछ भी करके। ऑलरेडी मैं अपने चैनल पर प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स जो हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस यूकेपीएससी एई के डिस्कस कर चुका हूं, तो अगर आप वो अभी तक नहीं देखे हैं आपने तो उनको ज़रूर एक बार आप देख लें। साथ ही येस्टरडे मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड करी थी जिसमें मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट थीम्स डिस्कस करी थी। अगर आपने वो अभी तक नहीं देखी है तो उस वीडियो को भी ज़रूर देखें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें मैक्सिमम लोगों के साथ, ताकि आप सभी को इसका फ़ायदा मिल सके फाइनल एग्ज़ाम में। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे क्वेरी भेज रहे थे टेलीग्राम पे एंड दे वर कमेंटिंग ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल दैट प्लीज़ कवर करंट अफेयर्स फॉर आर अपकमिंग यूकेपीएससी ए एग्जाम। सो स्टार्टिंग टुडे आई विल बी कवरिंग इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। बहुत सारे दिनों से ये डिले हो रहा था शेड्यूल, बट फाइनली टुडे आई एम अपलोडिंग अ वीडियो रिगार्डिंग करंट अफेयर्स। एंड जो भी मैं इन 3-4 दिन में करंट अफेयर्स कवर करूँगा, द वीडियोज़ विल बी थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग, बट वॉट एवर आई विल बी कवरिंग यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो देम ब्लाइंडली एंड उनको पढ़ के चले जाओ अपने एग्जाम में। अगर आना होगा तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा, और नहीं भी आएगा तो इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एवरी वन, नॉट ओनली फॉर यू। ऑल राइट, so let's start, and as I have said, whatever I am discussing, just follow it blindly and go for your exam. That will be more than enough for your current affairs section. All right. Okay, then let's start with the first question. Recently revamped credit guarantee fund trust for micro and small enterprises CGTMSE scheme has been launched. Under this, the limit for guarantee has been increased to how much amount? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 5 करोड़। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंथान स्नो फेस्टिवल 2023 हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड इन विथ स्टेट या यूटी? इसका आंसर आपका हो जाएगा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। लद्दाख मत मार देना, इसका आंसर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर है। Recently, the Shunya team from which of the following Indian institutions has won the second position in the solar decathlon build challenge held in the US? ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर आपका हो जाएगा आईआईटी बॉम्बे। नेक्स्ट इज recently a tiger was sighted at the Kalisar National Park for the first time since 1913. It is in which of the following states? So it is located in your Indian state of Haryana. Recently, new book called Collective Spirit, Concrete Action, Man Ki Baat and its influence on India has been written by who amongst the following? This has been written by option A, which is Sashi Shekhar Vempati. Moving on to the next question. Recently, which of the following has won the Best Film Award in the 68th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2023? So the answer to this will be Gangubai Kathiawadi, which is option C. Recently, passenger cum cargo ferry MA Lisa has been delivered and commissioned at Georgetown, Guyana. It is built by which of the following companies? So it is built by your Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, which is option B. All right. Moving on to the next question. Recently, who amongst the following has been announced as the recipient of the 2023 Immigrant Achievement Award USA? ठीक है, तो इसका जो आपका आंसर होगा दैट इज़ योर नीली बेंदापुडी, विच इज़ ऑप्शन डी। अब जो ऐसे क्वेश्चन होते हैं, देखिए अवार्ड से रिलेटेड, अपॉइंटमेंट से रिलेटेड, ये एक ना एक क्वेश्चन आता है। मैं ऑलरेडी आपको बता चुका हूँ प्रीवियस अपनी वीडियोज़ में अपने चैनल पर। सो इनको कभी भी स्किप मत करना। और ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन होते हैं जो मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट रोबोटिक चेक इन असिस्टेंट विच हैज़ बीन रिसेंटली अनवील्ड बाय द एयरलाइन एमिरेट्स? फर्स्ट, वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट, इंडियाज फर्स्ट एक्वा पार्क। ऐसे जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं इनको भी कभी स्किप मत करना, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन यूकेपीएससी या एनी अदर कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में भी पूछे जाते हैं। हेयर द आंसर वुड बी सारा, विच इज ऑप्शन ए। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल बी इंडियाज फर्स्ट सोलर सिटी? देखो फिर से एक क्वेश्चन आ गया, इंडियाज फर्स्ट सोलर सिटी, तो आंसर आपका हो जाएगा इसका सांची, विच इज ऑप्शन सी. Recently, who among the following has become the first Indian man to reach the summit of Mount Annapurna 1 in Nepal? So this is your Arjun Vajpayee, which is option B. Next is the Big Catch Up initiative recently seen in news is related to which of the following? ठीक है, तो the answer to this is vaccination. Big Catch Up initiative, याद रखना, ठीक है, the answer is vaccination. Next is recently the Supreme Court has modified its judgment regarding eco-sensitive zones. Eco-sensitive zones are declared under which of the following acts? This is Environment Protection Act of 1986, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्ट्स पूछ लेता है कई बार, दैट दिस एक्ट वॉज इनेक्टेड और इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन विच ईयर। सो जो इंपॉर्टेंट एक्ट्स हैं वो भी आपको याद रखनी है। Next is, according to the recently released Asian Development Bank Annual Report 2022, which of the following countries is the largest recipient of ADB funded programs projects in the year 2022? ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर आपका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए, विच इज़ पाकिस्तान। Moving on to the next question, which of the following ministries has launched the City Beauty Competition? This is your Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, which is option B. Next is, which of the following organizations has released the World Development Report 2023, Migrants, Refugees and Societies? This is your World Bank. एक ना एक रिपोर्ट भी क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा जाएगा। रिपोर्ट्स पे पूछते हैं, इंडिसेस में पूछते हैं, इंडिसेस में भी रैंक जरूर पूछते हैं इंडिया की, ठीक है, उस इंडेक्स में क्या थी। फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स बाय यूएनडीपी पूछ लेंगे इंडिया की रैंक क्या थी, वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स में इंडिया की रैंक क्या थी, ठीक, ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप रिपोर्ट कि कौन पब्लिश करता है, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज, रिसेंटली द इंडियन यूनियन कैबिनेट हैज़ अप्रूव्ड द नेशनल मेडिकल डिवाइसेस पॉलिसी 2023. It aims to increase the market size of the medical devices sector in India to how much amount by 2030? ठीक है, अब ये देखो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हैज़ अप्रूव्ड द नेशनल मेडिकल डिवाइसेस पॉलिसी। ऐसे नेशनल फॉरेन ट्रेड पॉलिसी हमारी जो 1 अप्रैल 2023 से इंप्लीमेंट करी गई थी, उसके अंदर भी ऐसे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टैट्स थे दैट बाय 2030 हम कितना मर्चेंडाइज एक्सपोर्ट्स एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है, नेशनल मेडिकल डिवाइसेस पॉलिसी एम्स टू इंक्रीज द मार्केट साइज ऑफ मेडिकल डिवाइसेस सेक्टर इन इंडिया to how much amount by 2030? This is your $50 billion, which is option A. Next question is, what is the name of the world's, देखो फिर से आ गया, world's first social currency payment card which has been released recently in Mumbai. So the answer is WYLD, which is option B. Recently, which of the following countries has released a 2023 special 301 report on intellectual property protection and enforcement? This is your USA. Recently, India and which of the following countries have signed a new work plan for 2023 for quality infrastructure? So the answer to this is Germany, which is option A. Moving on to the next question. Recently, which of the following US states has declared the Hindu festival of Diwali as an official holiday? ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। आई एम सेइंग इट, यू शुड नोट दिस डाउन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड हाई चांसेस ऑफ बीइंग आस्क्ड इन योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, नॉट ओनली ए बट आगे भी जो क्वेश्चन आएंगे। तो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी पेंसिल्वेनिया, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नेक्स्ट इज, लॉकबिट रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? सो दिस इज योर रैंसमवेयर, विच इज ऑप्शन सी। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देखो मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज पे क्वेश्चन आ गया। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ एक ना एक मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज पे क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा। सो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, विच इज रिसेंटली बायलैटरल एक्सरसाइज अजय वॉरियर 2023 हैज़ कमेंस्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज? अजय वॉरियर नाम देख लो, ठीक है, अजय वॉरियर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नेम। सो दिस हैज़ बीन दिस हैज़ कमेंस्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड यूनाइटेड किंगडम, विच इज ऑप्शन सी। Next is, recently Indian Coast Guard has conducted the joint coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach along the coast of which of the following states? This is your West Bengal, which is option C. Next is, recently which of the following companies has won the Ispat Rajbhasha Samman first prize for the year 2021-22? So the answer to this is option D, which is Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. Next is, recently which of the following organizations has released a report promoting millets in diets best practices across states and UTs in India? So the answer to this is your Niti Aayog, which was established in the year 2015, replacing the Planning Commission of India. Recently, India and which of the following countries has announced to jointly create the Net Zero Innovation Virtual Center? This is your United Kingdom, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. Recently, India finished second in the overall medal tally at the 2023 Hyundai Archery World Cup Stage 1. It was held in which of the following countries? It was held in Turkey, which was earlier known as Turkey. Who among the following is the author of the new book Smoke and Ashes, A Writer's Journey Through Opium's Hidden Histories? The answer is Amitabh Ghosh, which is option C. Recently, who among the following has been presented with the 1959 Raman Magsaysay Award in person after 64 years? Very important question. High chances of being asked. This is your Dalai Lama, which is option A. Recently, the 6th edition of the Joint Air Exercise COPE India 2023 नाम याद रखो, was held between India and which of the following countries? This is your India and USA. Which of the following states has declared the 3 new wildlife conservation centers, Sorsan, Khichan and Hamirgarh? So the answer to this is your Rajasthan, which is option D. Next question. Recently, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the 6th edition of One Earth, One Health Advantage Healthcare India 2023 in which of the following cities? So the answer to this is New Delhi. which is option A. Recently, which of the following Indian companies has been conferred the Global Gold Award by the Green Organization? So the answer to this is your Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, which is option C. Recently, the Union Finance Ministry has approved the upgradation of which of the following companies to Navratna Central Public Enterprises? So the answer to this is your Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, which is option D. Which of the countries will host the 2023 Quad Leaders Summit? ठीक है, Quad Leaders Summit. So this is your Australia, which is option B. Project Bhamragad has been launched by which of the following states, under which an artificial intelligence based machine is installed in schools for checking the food quality? So this is your Maharashtra, which is option D. याद रखना, Project Bhamragad. Next question. Recently, Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari addressed the Interplin 2023 fair, which was held in which country? याद रखो, नितिन गडकरी addressed the Interplin फेयर 2023. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर आपका क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑस्ट्रिया, विच इज ऑप्शन बी. ठीक है. 37th एडिशन ऑफ द नेशनल गेम्स 2023 विल बी हेल्ड इन गोवा. इससे पहले जो 36 थे वो कहाँ हुए थे? गुजरात में. 38 कहाँ शेड्यूल्ड है? 38 आर शेड्यूल्ड इन आर स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड. 37th इन गोवा. ठीक है. रिसेंटली विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन awarded the Australia's highest civilian honor, the Order of Australia. Order of Australia has been awarded to Ratan Tata, which is option C. Which of the following states has launched the third phase of the 5T school transformation initiative? This is your Odisha, which is option A. Next is, recently PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Namo Path Devka seafront at which of the following places? The answer to this is your Daman, which is option A. Next is, recently the health ministry of which of the following countries has approved country's first abortion pill? This is your Japan, which is option C. Next question is, recently it was informed that Mongolia's first oil refinery will be completed by 2025. It is being built with the assistance of which of the following countries? Of course, Mongolia में oil refinery बन रही है उनकी पहली, which will be completed by 2025 with the assistance of India, which is option C. Next question is, recently it was announced that Vibrant Villages program VVPP will be integrated with the Prime Minister Gati Shakti mega project. Vibrant Villages program is being implemented in totally how many states and UTs? बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्राम है वाइब्रेंट विलेजेस प्रोग्राम, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बजट में भी इसका जिक्र किया गया है, इस वाले में भी एंड 2022 के बजट में भी. कितना एलोकेशन था एक बार देख लेना. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इट इज़ बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन टोटल योर 5 states and UTs. ठीक है, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, recently it was informed that Delhi will implement the Safe City project. It is a joint initiative of Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Women and Child Development, which is option B. Recently, PM Narendra Modi attended the 20th anniversary of the statewide attention on grievances by application of technology Swagat initiative. It was launched by which of the following states? It was launched by Gujarat, which is option C. Next is, recently which of the following ministries has launched the India Handmade Portal? ठीक है, तो this is Ministry of Textiles, which is option D. According to the recent World Military Expenditure 2022 report by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, which of the following countries is the biggest military expenditure? ठीक है, तो this is USA. Next is, recently Alexandra Korab has been awarded a 2023 Goldman Environmental Prize. Total how many environmental activists are awarded with the Goldman Environmental Prize every year? So the answer to this is your 6, which is option D. Recently, the Sharjah Cricket Stadium, UAE, has which of the following Indian cricketers by naming a stand after him? This is your Sachin Tendulkar, option C. Next is, recently India, Iran, and which of the following countries have agreed to hold meetings in trilateral format? This is your Armenia. India, Iran, and Armenia. Recently, who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of NASSCOM? मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ अपॉइंटमेंट पे एक ना एक क्वेश्चन आता है, देख लो NASSCOM के चेयरमैन फॉर 2023-24. दिस इज योर अनंत माहेश्वरी, विच इज ऑप्शन डी. Next question is, recently scientists have discovered a blue hole named Tamja off the coast of Yucatan Peninsula. It is located in which of the following countries? So the answer to this is Mexico, which is option A. Moving on to the next question. Recently, L. Murugan, नाम देखो, has become the first central minister to visit India's first village on the Indo-Myanmar border, Avangkhu. याद रखना, Avangkhu. It is located in which of the following states? ठीक है. So this is, a historical moment for India when a first central minister has visited India's first village on Indo-Myanmar border, and this village Avangkhu is located in Nagaland, which is option B. Moving on to the next question, which of the following countries has announced its 15-point Indo-Pacific outlook. So the answer to this is your China, which is option A. All right, moving on to the next question. Recently, the National Tiger Conservation Authority has approved the proposal to declare Debrigar Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. It is located in which of the following states? It is located in your state of Odisha. ठीक है, moving on to the next question. Let me correct the above question. I had said recently which of the following countries has announced its 15-point Indo-Pacific outlook. इसका आंसर चाइना नहीं, मैंने चाइना बता दिया गलती से. इसका आंसर वुड बी बांग्लादेश. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, याद रखना है. 15-point Indo-Pacific outlook, दिस इज बांग्लादेश. ऑल राइट. Next question is, recently India and which of the following countries have decided to establish a chamber of commerce? ठीक है, so this is another important question which you need to remember, and this is India and Ukraine. Ukraine बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी country है जो न्यूज़ में है, and because it is in a war with Russia, so they have decided to establish a chamber of commerce. Recently the Reserve Bank of which of the following countries has announced to launch a gold pegged digital currency? बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में है ये gold pegged digital currency. This is Zimbabwe. Recently, Mohammad Shahabuddin has been sworn in as the president of which of the following countries? Alright, so the answer to this is Bangladesh. World Immunization Week is observed in the last week of April every year. What is the theme of this for the year 2023? The theme is the big catch up, which is option C. Recently, Sydney Cricket Ground, Australia has named a gate in the honor of which of the following cricketers? So the answer to this is Sachin Tendulkar. Recently, Kelvin Kiptum has won the men's London Marathon 2023. He is from which of the following countries? He is from Kenya, which is option B. Recently, it has been announced that Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary will be developed as a second home for cheetahs. It is located in which state? It is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh, which is option B. Next is, recently the Indian government has launched which of the following operations to evacuate citizens from Sudan? ये जो ऑपरेशन होते हैं ना, these are very very important. सूडान से निकालने के लिए ऑपरेशन कावेरी, याद रखना, सूडान से निकालने के लिए ऑपरेशन कावेरी है हमारा. एंड ऐसी ऑपरेशन करुणा था जो जिसमें हमने मदद करी थी म्यांमार की, ऑपरेशन करुणा. ऑपरेशन दोस्त हमारा टर्की सीरिया में अर्थक्वेक आया था तब था. ठीक है, तो ऑपरेशन करुणा इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. इट वॉज व्हेन वी हेल्प्ड म्यांमार व्हेन इट वॉज स्ट्रक बाय साइक्लोन. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, recently which of the following countries has hosted a meeting of trade ministers of the grouping known as C+C5? This is China. Next is, recently it was informed that more than, it is written, many members, you would say many members of the, this is important, Haki Paki tribal community are stuck in violence at Sudan. ये हाकी पिक्की ट्राइबल जो कम्युनिटी है, इनके बहुत सारे मेंबर्स सूडान में स्टक हो गए थे. एंड सूडान में हमने ऑपरेशन कावेरी चलाया, जैसा कि आप सभी लोगों ने भी एक क्वेश्चन में देखा. ये इस क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है दैट दिस हाकी पिक्की ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी इज अ शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स और यूटी ऑफ इंडिया? दिस इज योर कर्नाटका. याद रखना, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज सूडान में एक बहुत क्राइसिस सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो गई थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, recently 2023 edition of the Logged Shields exercise was hosted by the NATO Cooperative Cyber Defense Center for Excellence was held in which of the following countries? So the answer to this is Estonia, which is option D. Moving on to the next question, recently which of the following countries has tested its new emergency alert service to deal with life-threatening situations of natural disasters and threats? So the answer to this is your United Kingdom, which is option D. Britain. Recently, India Space Research Organization ISRO has successfully launched two satellites, Telios 2 and Luminite 4, of which of the following countries? This is Singapore, which is option D. Recently, which of the following states has launched the Sagolji Police, mounted police? This is your Manipur. ठीक है, moving on to the next question. Which of the following countries organizations have approved the markets in crypto? MICA. The answer to this is your European Union, which is option A. Next is, recently the breeding of the Indian skimmers has been recorded for the first time in Satkoshia Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in which of the following states? So Satkoshia Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? This is what it is asking in your question, and it is located in your Indian state of Odisha. Moving on to the next question. Recently, State of the Global Climate 2022 report was released by which of the following organizations? ठीक है, तो ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट 2022 रिपोर्ट यहाँ पे इन्होंने पूछा है. इट इज़ बीइंग रिलीज्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस? एंड द आंसर टू दिस विल बी वर्ल्ड मीटरोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। जो ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं वर्ल्ड की, इनके हेडक्वार्टर्स यहाँ पे 4 देखो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑप्शंस में ही दे रखी हैं, इनके हेडक्वार्टर्स कहाँ हैं। दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस एज वेल। Recently, the Union Health Ministry, in collaboration with the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, has launched an initiative to develop how many Eat Right food streets across the country. This is 100, which is option A. Recently, Asia's largest underwater hydrocarbon pipeline has been completed. It is below which of the following rivers? It is below Brahmaputra, which is option D. Moving on to the next question. Recently, which of the following companies has launched India's first commercial lithium ion cell manufacturing facility in Bangalore? So the answer is Log9 Materials, which is option D. Next is, who among the following has been announced as the new Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the World Resources Institute, India? Again, as I said, this is very, very important because this is an appointment. This is Madhav Pai. Next is, recently, India and which of the following countries have signed an air services agreement? So the answer to this is your Guyana, which is option B. Next is, recently which of the following states has notified Char Balidanga Nadia as the biodiversity heritage site? All right. So the answer to this particular question will be your West Bengal, which is option B. Recently, PM Narendra Modi flagged off India's first water metro in which of the following cities? Water metro. This is Kochi. What is the name of India's first मोबाइल BSL-3 लेबोरेटरी? देखो इंडियाज फर्स्ट जहाँ पे भी आ जाता है दैट क्वेश्चन ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम. दिस इज रामबान, विच इज ऑप्शन डी. एंड रामबान स्टैंड्स फॉर रैपिड एक्शन मोबाइल BSL-3+ एडवांस्ड ऑगमेंटेड नेटवर्क. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज, रिसेंटली Sabkat Malik has been selected to represent India in Jiu-Jitsu International Federation's World Championship 2023. It will be held in which of the following countries? It will be held in Mongolia, which is option D. What is the rank of India in the recently released World Bank's Logistics Performance Index 2023? This is 38th rank of India in various indices. Very, very important. Hence, this question also becomes important. Recently, Oliver Dowden has been appointed as the new Deputy Prime Minister of which of the following countries? The answer to this is United Kingdom, which is option C. India's first animal birth control training center. India's first यहाँ पे आ गया. Hence, this also becomes very important. Will be set up in which of the following cities? So the answer to this will be your Lucknow, which is option C. Recently, which of the following states has announced to launch the scheme Nutana Unnat Abhilasha? This is your Odisha, which is option D. Moving on to the next question. Recently, who among the following has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Technical Research Organization, NTRO? This is your Anund Sinha, which is option A. Next is, recently who among the following has been honored with the Santokba Humanitarian Award? So the answer to this is Sonam Wangchuk, which is option B. Which of the following states has stopped in the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for the year 2022-23? Very, very important question. This is Karnataka. Which of the following states has announced 4% reservation for Divyang employees in promotions? This is your Maharashtra. Recently, the Jit Gadi festival was celebrated in which of the following countries? This is your Nepal. International Mother Earth Day is celebrated on which of the following days every year? This is 22nd April. इस बार की थीम थी आपकी इन्वेस्ट इन आर प्लानट. ठीक है, इन्वेस्ट इन आर प्लानट. जो डेज हैं इंपॉर्टेंट डेज एंड उनकी थीम्स हैं, दोज आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो डू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ देम. Next is, according to the recently released census of water bodies by the Ministry of Jal Shakti, which of the following states has the highest number of ponds and reservoirs? This is your West Bengal, option A. India and the following organizations had signed a MOU for cooperation in aviation sector. So this is your European Union, which is your option D. Next question is, recently who among the following has become the first woman officer in the Indian Air Force to be presented with a gallantry award? This is Wing Commander Deepika Mishra. Very, very important. Recently, it was announced that Northeast's largest multi-purpose indoor stadium is being built in which of the following states? So the answer to this would be your Meghalaya, which is option D. Moving on to the next question. The next question is, recently Thave Festival 2023. All right, the name of this festival is also very, very important. So the question is, Thave Festival 2023 was held in which of the following states? This is your Bihar. Thave Festival ऐसे ही पूछ लेते हैं, बातों का अम्मा पूछ लेगा कई बार, विच इज़ फ्रॉम तेलंगाना. तो इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल सांगाई फेस्टिवल ऑफ मणिपुर, वो भी पूछ सकता है. तो ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल्स हैं. ऑरेंज फेस्टिवल ऑफ नागालैंड, हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल ऑफ नागालैंड. दीज आर ऑल्सो आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जाम समटाइम्स. Recently, Indian Army has signed a MOU with which of the following institutions for training the Indian Army personnel in the Chinese language? Chinese language के लिए this is Tezpur University, Assam. Recently, which of the following states has received the approval to set up its first medical college since it got statehood in the year 1963? This is your Nagaland. यहाँ खुलेगा इनका पहला medical college. Recently, it was informed that IIT Madras will be setting up its first international campus in which of the following countries? इन तंजानिया. अगर आप गेस वर्क करोगे ऐसे क्वेश्चन में, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल दैट यू विल गेट द राइट आंसर. सो पढ़ के जाने चाहिए जो करंट अफेयर्स है, एंड हेंस आई एम डिस्कसिंग विद यू ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स. नेक्स्ट इज रिसेंटली विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स हैज लॉन्च द प्रोएक्टिव दिव्यांग पेंशन स्कीम एंड ताऊ से पूछो डिजिटल सर्विसेज? दिस इज योर हरियाणा, विच इज ऑप्शन सी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स हैज लॉन्च द वन पंचायत वन प्लेग्राउंड प्रोजेक्ट? ऐसे ही मैंने बोला था, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स जो हैं उनकी इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स जो हैं वो भी पूछी जाती हैं. द आंसर टू दिस इज केरला. नेक्स्ट इज रिसेंटली द इंडियन एयरफोर्स हैज अनाउंस्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द एक्सरसाइज INEOCOS 2023. It will be held in which of the following countries? It will be held in Greece. Next is which of the following banks has launched India's first voice biometric authentication banking app? This is your City Union Bank, which is option D. Recently, the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023 have been notified under which of the following act? This is Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Which of the following states has topped the country in terms of person days generation under MG Narega? The answer to this is Rajasthan, which is option A. Moving on to the next question. Recently, Miguel Diaz Canel has been elected as the president of which of the following countries? This is Cuba. National Civil Services Day on the 21st of April. Asian Infrastructure Development Bank has signed a host member agreement which with the following countries to open its first overseas office and interim operational hub, the hub. The answer is UAE. Next is recently the Election Commission of India for the first time introduced vote from home option in the assembly elections of which of the following states? This is your Karnataka. According to the recent report by Worldline India, which of the following Indian cities recorded the highest digital transactions in the year 2022? This is Bengaluru. Recently, the National Highways Authority of India has announced its plan to develop how many kilometers of digital highways optic fiber cable infrastructure by the fiscal year 2025? This is your 10,000 kilometers, which is option B. Recently, the Union Cabinet has approved the National Quantum Mission. Very, very important. ये बहुत सारे important कुछ missions हैं. National Hydrogen Mission है, Green Hydrogen Mission. Then comes your, नेशनल फॉरेन ट्रेड पॉलिसी जो हमारी आई है, नेशनल डिवाइसेस मेडिकल डिवाइसेस पॉलिसी, जिसके बारे में मैं ऑलरेडी एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ. सो ऑल दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड हेंस ये तो आपको सभी करके जानी है. जो इनके इंपॉर्टेंट टारगेट्स हैं वो भी आपको करके जाने ही जाने हैं. तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या पूछा आप देख लो ध्यान से. नेशनल क्वांटम मिशन के बारे में इन्होंने पूछा है, एंड ड्यूरेशन भी उसकी बता दी. ड्यूरेशन कब से कब तक की है? 2023 से रिलेटेड स्टार्ट होगी एंड 2023 तक ये आपका मिशन रहेगा, राइट, विद एन एस्टिमेशन ऑफ हाउ मेनी अमाउंट. अब क्या पता क्वेश्चन में आपसे जो क्वेश्चन आए वहाँ आपसे अमाउंट ही पूछते, क्या पता ये ना पूछे दैट इट विल बी लॉन्च्ड बाय विच ऑफ द और इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनिस्ट्रीज. ये पूछ ले कि ड्यूरेशन क्या थी 2023 to 21 विद एन एस्टिमेटेड एलोकेशन ऑफ 6003 crores, एंड लेट मी टेल यू दिस इज बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Moving on to the next question. Recently, which of the following ministries has approved the proposal for industry-friendly reforms related to the authority holding sealed particulars? याद रखना AHSP. This is your Ministry of Defense. Next is recently who among the following has received the Germany's highest award, Grand Cross of the Order of Merit? This is your Angela Merkel, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. Recently, which of the following ministries has launched a new online platform and mobile application called Sathi, SATHI? This is your Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Fifth International Exhibition and Conference India Steel 2023 was inaugurated in which of the following cities? This is Mumbai. Next is according to the Global Unicorn Index 2023 by Hurun, which of the following countries has the world's highest number of unicorns? ठीक है, हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ यूनिकॉर्न्स कहाँ है ये इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है. दिस इज योर USA. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल कप 2023 फुटबॉल विल बी हेल्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स इन इंडिया. अब ये तो कंक्लूड हो चुका है. दिस वाज हेल्ड इन ओडिशा एंड फाइनल हुआ था इंडिया लेबनान के बीच में. कौन सी कंट्री? इंडिया डिफीटेड लेबनान एंड आई गेस दे डिफीटेड देम 2-0. दो लेबनान इज प्लेस्ड हायर इन द फीफा रैंकिंग्स एज कम्पेयर टू इंडिया, बट स्टिल इंडियन फुटबॉल इज ऑन अ राइज राइट नाउ एंड देर कॉन्टिन्यूसली विनिंग टूर्नामेंट्स. तो लेबनान को इन्होंने फाइनल में हराया था. Who among the following will be felicitated with the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2023? This is your Asha Bhosle, which is your option C. Recently, which of the following has become the first state in India to create a DNA database of unidentified bodies? This is your Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which of the following states UTs has launched the Kisan Sampark Abhiyan, Daksh Kisan skilling of farmers, and Kishan Sathi IT dashboard for digitalization of services of farmers? So the answer is Jammu and Kashmir, which is option A. Next is, which of the following companies has been declared the 2023 Steel Sustainability Champion by the World Steel Association? Very, very important question. This is your Tata Steel, which is option A. Which of the following states has announced a target to convert all vehicles used in government departments into EVs in a phased manner by 2030? This is your state of Uttar Pradesh, which is option C. Next is, which of the following countries will host the 23rd edition of the Under 20 FIFA World Cup 2023? This is your Argentina. Author of the new book, Sachin at the rate 50, celebrating a maestro. This is your Boria Majumdar. Next question is, according to the recently released World's Wealthiest Cities Report 2023 by Henley and Partners, which of the following is the wealthiest city in the world? Wealthiest city in the world, this is New York. Next is recently data which has been released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Which of the following is the top exporting district in India in value terms in financial year 2022-23? Very very important, नोट डाउन कर लो याद से इसको, ये आ सकता है क्वेश्चन 110% मैं इसको आपको बता रहा हूँ. दिस इज योर जामनगर गुजरात, विच इज ऑप्शन ए. The experimental advanced superconducting tokamak East Fusion Energy Reactor recently seen in news is in which of the following countries? It is in the country of China. Recently, the members of which of the following organizations have signed an agreement to ensure carbon-free electricity production by 2035? This is a group of 7 countries, yeah, G7. Next is, recently, which of the following ministries has launched the Sangathan Se Samriddhi, leaving no rural woman behind campaign? ठीक है, दिस इज़ अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट कैंपेन एंड लेट मी टेल यू, यहाँ पे एक कैंपेन की बात आ गई. तो ऐसी जो जो इंपॉर्टेंट कैंपेन्स होती हैं वो कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च कर रही है एंड कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम कब लॉन्च करी गई, ये भी ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट, विच इज ऑप्शन सी. रिसेंटली द 5th एडिशन ऑफ द HUN Thadao Cultural Festival 2023 was inaugurated in which of the following states? This is your Manipur. Who among the following has become the first Indian woman to win the Wisden Almanac Cricketer of the Year 2023? This is your Harmanpreet Kaur. Next is, recently Apple has opened its first store in India in which of the following cities? Very very important. This is your Mumbai, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. Next question is, recently the first mangrove pitta bird census was conducted in which of the following states? देखो जहाँ भी फर्स्ट आ जाता है ना, that question becomes important. मैं बहुत बार बता चुका हूँ. This is your Odisha. Recently who among the following has been presented with the प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान? प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान ये मिला है आपका राज सुब्रमण्यन जी को, which is option A. First state in the country to prepare a water budget. This is your Kerala, which is option A. Next is 800 film जो है, that is a biopic of Muthaiya Muralidharan. Which of the following Indian institutions has developed a low-cost DSLR camera setup? CL Flam. This is your IIT Indore, which is option C. Next is, what is the name of the rural mental health program which has been recently launched by the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS and NGO Ashray Hast Trust? ठीक है, so the answer to this would be Naman, which is option D. अगर इसकी फुल फॉर्म आपको बतानी है तो मैं बता देता हूँ. दिस इज निमहंस AST कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मेंटल हेल्थ एक्शन प्रोग्राम फॉर रूरल कम्युनिटीज़. नाम याद रखना, नमन. दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार पूछ लेता है ऐप्स और पोर्टल्स के नाम या ऐसे जो इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके नाम. कोको आइलैंड्स रिसेंटली इन न्यूज़, दे आर लोकेटेड इन विच कंट्री? दे आर लोकेटेड इन द कंट्री ऑफ म्यांमार. रिसेंटली अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज़ बीन सेलेक्टेड फॉर मैलकॉल्म आदिसेसिया अवार्ड 2023. मैंने बताया ये अवार्ड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. दिस इज उत्सा पटनायक, विच इज़ ऑप्शन डी, उत्सा पटनायक. Which of the following countries has launched its first satellite dedicated to measuring precipitation, especially heavy rainfalls? Penguin 3G. So the answer to this is your China. Next question is, recently which of the following institutions has developed a screening device, ArtSense, for the early screening for cardiovascular diseases? This is your IIT Madras. Moving on to the next question. Question number. Recently it was informed that India will acquire 250 more Pralay ballistic missiles. It is being developed by which of the following organizations? It is being developed by DRDO, which is option D. Next is, recently which of the following countries has been appointed as the chair of the finance ministers working group for a Commonwealth call for reform of the global financial architecture? This is India. याद रखना, chair of the financial ministers working group. Next is, recently the Indian Coast Guard has conducted the regional pollution response exercise RPREX 2023 एट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस? दिस इज काकीनाडा इन आंध्र प्रदेश। यहीं पे हमारी जो ट्राई सर्विसेज एक एक्सरसाइज हुई थी, दैट नेम वॉज एम्फेक्स, ये भी काकीनाडा में ही हुई थी। रिसेंटली द लार्जेस्ट DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence DIACOE has been inaugurated in which of the following institutions? This is your IIT Hyderabad. Recently, the Global Conference on Compressed Biogas 2023 was organized in which of the following cities? It was organized in New Delhi. Recently, Europe's largest nuclear reactor, Olkiluoto 3 OL3, has started regular output. It is in which of the following countries? It is in Finland. Recently, Aman Shehrawat has won India's first gold medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship. It was held in which country? ठीक है, कौन सी कंट्री में हुई थी एशियन रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप? इट वॉज हेल्ड इन कजाकिस्तान, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट इज द recently the Digital Currency Monetary Network Authority DCMA and which of the following organizations has announced the launch of the Universal Monetary Unit UMO Unicoin? ठीक है, so this is also very very important and the answer to this is your International Monetary Fund, which is IMF. Recently the G20 मीटिंग ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल चीफ साइंटिस्ट, G20 से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा इंपॉर्टेंट होगा इस एग्जाम के लिए, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज हमारे पास अभी प्रेसिडेंसी है G20 की। वॉज हेल्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज? दिस वॉज हेल्ड इन वाराणसी। G20 मीटिंग फॉर द एग्रीकल्चरल चीफ साइंटिस्ट। नेक्स्ट इज रिसेंटली इमेजिंग एक्सरे polarimetry explorer IXPE of which of the following space agencies has released the image of the Crab nebula? This is your NASA, which is option D. Recently, it was announced that PM Narendra Modi will flag off Kerala's first Vande Bharat train, express train. It will run between which of the following cities? देखिए, जो वंदे भारत है ना, these are very much in news and कई बार नॉर्थ ईस्ट की पहले वंदे भारत कौन सी थी, तो कहाँ से कहाँ तक चली, दिस ऑल्सो बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट। यहाँ पे केरला की पहली वंदे भारत पूछ ली है, तो इट विल रन बिटवीन तिरुवनंतपुरम एंड कन्नूर। नेक्स्ट इज रिसेंटली हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम India have been included in Time magazine's 100 most influential people of 2023. Very very important, and this is your Shah Rukh Khan and SS Rajamouli, which is option B. Recently, which of the following has become the first Indian company to have over 50 lakh shareholders? This is your Yes Bank, which is option D. Which of the following countries have become a founding member of the International Big Cat Alliance? अब ये very very important. It was launched from Mysore in Karnataka. 7 species इसमें हैं। कौन कौन सी 7 बिग कैट्स हैं मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना। एंड यहाँ पे था फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बिग कैट अलायंस कौन है? दिस इज नेपाल, विच इज ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन क्राउंड एज द फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2023? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यार, ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता है। मिस यूनिवर्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया यहाँ पे पूछा है नंदिनी गुप्ता, एंड शी इज फ्रॉम द इंडियन स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान। Recently, the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) has signed a MOU with which of the following tiger reserves for FASTag-based payments at forest entry points? This is your Nagarjun Sagar, Srisellam. Next is External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has inaugurated the Buzi Bridge in which of the following countries? This is Mozambique. Option B. Indian women's team will participate in 2023 IIHF Ice Hockey Women's Asia and Oceanic Championship. It will be held in which of the following countries? It will be held in Thailand. Next is recently which of the following countries has emerged as India's biggest trading partner in 2022-23? Very very important question. This is your USA. Mission 50K EV4 ECO has been launched by SIDBI, which is option B. Next is which of the following companies has unveiled an indigenously designed Navik chip? Very very important, ठीक है, Navik chip. This is Arena Geosystems, which is option D. Which of the following states has introduced vacant land tax for assets registration? Again, very very important question. So the answer to this would be your Maharashtra, which is option D. Next is according to the recently released Business Environment Rankings 2023 by the Economic Intelligence Unit, which of the following countries has the world's best business environment? This is Singapore, which is option B. Who among the following is the author of the recently released book In Pursuit of Peace, India-Pakistan Relations under 6 Prime Ministers? This is your Satinder Kumar Lamba, which is option B. Next is recently a severe tropical cyclone Ilza has hit which of the following countries? ये जो important cyclones हैं 2023 के, these are also very very important and there are high chances of being asked that कौन सा साइक्लोन कौन से कोस्ट को स्टक करा या कौन सी कंट्री में आया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल साइक्लोन गेब्रियल था, इट क्रिएटेड अ सॉर्ट ऑफ इमरजेंसी इन द कंट्री ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड। ऐसे इंडिया में जो साइक्लोन आ रहे हैं, जैसे एक साइक्लोन मोचा आया, इट हैज़ डिराइव्ड इट्स नेम फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? येमेन। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं एंड मैं डिस्कस भी करूंगा जब मैं आपके साथ अभी करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज which of the following banks recently has signed an agreement with the Export Import Bank of Korea for a $300 million line of credit? This is your HDFC Bank. Recently, Qatar and which of the following countries have announced to resume their diplomatic ties? So the answer to this is Bahrain, which is option A. Next is your recently which India has signed a MOU with which of the following organizations for providing humanitarian food assistance of 10,000 tons of wheat to Afghanistan. This is your World Food Program. Recently 125 feet tall bronze statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been inaugurated in which of the following states. This is your Telangana. Recently which of the following has become the first country to approve the malaria vaccine. R21 matrix M University of Oxford ने जो बनाई है first vaccine malaria vaccine. This is your Ghana, which is option B. Next is which of the following countries has topped the recently released list of the most criminal countries by the World of Statistics. This is Venezuela, which is option A. Rashid rover was launched by which of the following countries? Rashid rover किसका था आपका? It was by UAE. Option A. Indian government has launched the Animal Health System Support for One Health, AHSSOH, in association with which of the following organizations? This is your World Bank, which is option C. Next is recently who among the following has been awarded the 2022 Maharashtra Bhushan Award? Very much in news. This is Appa Sahib Dharmadhikari. Option C. India's first underwater metro's trial run was conducted in which of the following cities? It was conducted in Kolkata. Next question is recently which of the following companies has been given the status of Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprises? This is Solar Energy Corporation of India, which is option D. Ministry of Tourism will organize the fourth event of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Millet Food Festival 2023 in which of the following cities? So the answer to this is your New Delhi, which is the answer to this is your Mumbai, which is option C. Alright, next question is recently it was informed that India will host the Global Buddhist Summit 2023 in which of the following cities? Global Buddhist Summit 2023 in New Delhi. Which of the following states has approved the inclusion of transgenders in the list of other backward classes? This is your Madhya Pradesh. Next is recently which of the following countries has commissioned its first aircraft carrier TCG Anadolu? This is your Turkey A, which is option A. क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है? बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे आ गया फर्स्ट एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर. ऑल राइट. Next is recently who among the following has received the Business Leader of the Decade Award at All India Management Association's AIMA 13th Managing India Awards? The answer to this is your Kumar Mangalam Birla. And the last question for today's session that I am discussing with you is recently which of the following states has launched the A-HELP, which is A Credited Agent for Health and Extension of Livestock Production Program, and this is your Uttarakhand. Alright, so the next part of this particular video I'll be discussing the next time. Hope you like this video and do let me know in the comment section अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है या you have any other queries. Besides this, I continuously upload questions on my Telegram channel. Telegram channel का link मैं आपको अपने description box में दे दूँगा इस वीडियो के. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel yet, you should join it ASAP. एंड अगर आपकी कोई भी डाउट्स या क्वेरीज है तो आप उस टेलीग्राम चैनल पर पूछ सकते हैं एंड यू नो ईदर आई और अदर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर देयर विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू योर क्वेरी. बिसाइड्स दिस, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, इससे पहले एक वीडियो मैंने अपलोड करी थी जिसमें मैंने 35 to 40 थीम्स डिस्कस करी थी जिनसे आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्टेड हैं. तो वो क्वेश्चन तो आप करके जाना ही जाना, ठीक है. वो क्वेश्चन आप कर दोगे. 10 से 15 क्वेश्चन मैं करंट के आपको करा दूंगा अभी आने वाले 3-4 दिनों में एंड आई विल मेक श्योर दैट करंट के ऑलमोस्ट सारे क्वेश्चन आपके उन वीडियोज़ में कवर हो जाएँ. तो वो वहाँ से कर लो एंड अराउंड 14 to 15 क्वेश्चंस आपके उत्तराखंड जीके के आने वाले हैं. तो आप इतना भी करके जाओगे तो बहुत सेफली आप 50+ स्कोर तो कर ही लोगे बहुत आसानी से. तो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ बहुत स्मार्टली आप उसको फॉलो करना. अब इस टाइम पे अगर आप कोई नई बुक उठाने जाओगे तो वो तो आपको बहुत फेल्ड स्ट्रैटेजी आपकी हो जाएगी इस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे. तो इट इज़ बेटर दैट यू स्टिक टू अ स्मार्ट अप्रोच एंड इस तरीके से तैयारी करो दैट आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाए रादर देन जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एक्वायर नॉलेज इन द लास्ट 15 to 17-18 days दैट आर रिमेनिंग राइट नाउ. ऑलराइट, बिसाइड्स दिस स्टूडेंट्स लेट मी टेल यू दैट उत्तराखंड जीके कवर करने के लिए आपके पास जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल ऑप्शन अभी है दैट इज़ आर बुक विच इज़ बाय द नेम ऑफ मिशन उत्तराखंड 3300+. इसमें मैंने ऑलमोस्ट हर टॉपिक के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ, बी इट उत्तराखंड सेंसस, उत्तराखंड वाटर बॉडीज़, ग्लेशियर्स, रिवर्स, उत्तराखंड इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, उत्तराखंड हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्ट्रक्चर. सारे क्वेश्चंस इस बुक के अंदर MCQ फॉर्मेट में है. सो इट विल बी बेटर दैट लास्ट के 10-15 डेज में आप इस बुक के सारे क्वेश्चंस या मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस या सॉल्व करके चले जाएँ. बिसाइड्स इस बुक में टूवर्ड्स द एंड वी हैव मेड सम मॉक पेपर्स. तो अगर आप उन मॉक के क्वेश्चंस भी करके चले जाते हैं तो एक अच्छा खासा आइडिया आपको उत्तराखंड का लग जाएगा. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस बुक इज़ दैट वी हैव ऑल्सो कवर्ड उत्तराखंड current affairs in this book from the year 2021 to 2023 in a very precise format. So you can buy this book सो एज़ टू कवर द उत्तराखंड पोर्शन इन द लास्ट 15 to 17 डेज। इस बुक का लिंक मैं आपको अपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में भी प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा एंड इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी उस ग्रुप का बुक का लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा। तो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू लाइक द वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, कीप लर्निंग।